In this video, I'll show you how to connect MetaMask to Uniswap. First, open your web browser and go to the official Uniswap website. Then, make sure the MetaMask extension is installed and sign into your wallet. If you're using a mobile device, open the MetaMask app and use its built-in browser to visit the Uniswap website. Now, click or tap the Connect button in the top right corner of the page. From the list of available wallets, select MetaMask. Next, MetaMask will open and ask you to connect your wallet. Choose the account you want to use, then click Next and Connect to approve the connection. After that, return to the Uniswap website. Your wallet address should now appear in the top right corner, confirming that MetaMask is successfully connected. Now, if Uniswap asks you to switch to a supported network, review the request and approve it in MetaMask. This ensures you're using the correct blockchain for your swap or other activity. Finally, you're ready to use Uniswap. You can swap tokens, provide liquidity, or explore other supported features directly from the platform while keeping full control of your assets through MetaMask. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to connect MetaMask to Uniswap. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.